Hello everyone. Small update regarding NRI CET and its implication on SBI Junior Associate exam, RBI Grade B exam, RBI Assistant exam, SBI PO exam 2022 and 2021. So starting with the recent development. So they have appointed people on the post of director, deputy secretary, and 31 people will be appointed in the headquarters and 24 people will be appointed in the regional offices. The headquarter is in Lok Nayak Nagar, Delhi, New Delhi, and regional offices are expected to be in state capitals or district headquarters. So this is just a nascent stage, and further developments are still awaited. Now, what are its implications on RBI Grade B Notification 2022, SBI PO Junior Associate Notifications 2022, IBPS PO Clerk, RRB PO Clerk Notifications 2022, that we will discuss. Firstly, the meetings of NRA are still going on. First, they will decide the exam pattern, then eligibility, then selection criteria, and then the minimum cutoff will be decided. These are applicable for railways, SSC, and banking exams. NRI was proposed to look after the scams and corruptions that happen in recruitment process, mainly SSC, the Staff Selection Commission. As you all guys know, the SSC CGL scam of 2017 and various other recruitment scams that happen in railway recruitment and SSC recruitment. Now the NRA will encompass banking, railway, and SSC exams. But the good news for all candidates is that NRA will only conduct the preliminary exam, that is the first phase, prelims exam of all these examination bodies. The mains exam will be conducted mostly by the examination boards of these agencies or government bodies like RBI, SBI, and even IBPS. So IBPS is still there. IBPS will conduct the mains exam, and only prelims exam will be conducted by National Recruitment Agency, that is NRA. So firstly we'll talk about the 2021 exams. So IBPS calendar is already out. RBI Grade B for this year is already over, and SEBI and NABARD will take place. SEBI is already over and NABARD will take place this year, and SBI Junior Associate notification will come in April month. So these will be conducted by the normal process, and IBPS will conduct these exams. And if the NRA meetings take place and they are able to finalize the logistics, the infrastructure, that is the lab, that is the systems required to conduct the exam, and the budget allocation is already there, and if they are able to spend it wisely, and if the infrastructure is ready by the end of 2021, then all the exams will be conducted by NRA in 2022, that is the prelims exam. So for this year there is no need to worry, but in 2022, if the infrastructure is ready, then all the exams like RBI Grade B, SBI, IBPS PO Clerk, SBI Junior Associate PO exam will be conducted by NRA CET process. But this looks unlikely, seeing the speed of government